to our direct objects and indirect object notes page, and I'm going to scroll down. So this is what would be your worksheet if you had it at home. So I'm going to make it bigger. There we go. So go ahead and write these down as we go, or you could pause the video right now and you could write them down, or you can do them one at a time. It's totally up to you. That's the luxury of having a YouTube video. All right, so Anne wrote a letter to her friend. So Anne is the subject. Okay, what did she do? She wrote. That's going to be the verb. What did she write? She wrote a letter. And that's our direct object. Okay. And not all of them are going to have a indirect object. All right, number 2, Anne gave her mother a dirty look. So Anne is the subject. Gave is the verb. And I know it says to underline it once and twice, but since I'm not there with you, I want to see you label everything. What did she give? Did she give her mother or did she give a look? She gave a look. Okay, so that's going to be your direct object, D-O. Sorry if my D's look like O's. And then to whom did she give that dirty look, or who received that dirty look? Well, that was her mother. So that is an indirect object. Great. All right. Number 3, on her birthday, Anne received a diary. So this is a prepositional phrase to start the sentence out, which is great, but it's not the subject. Anne is still the subject. What did she do? She received. That's our action verb. And what did she receive? A diary. I don't really have anything left. So there's no indirect object here. Anne is the subject, received is the transitive verb, and diary is the direct object. Okay, number 4. Margot completed her homework in a timely manner. I would love for you guys to do this one on your own. I'm going to go draw a picture over here. You guys write that down. Go ahead and underline the subject, the verb, the direct object, and then if there is an indirect object. Let's see if you can guess what I'm drawing over here. Because you're writing that down. You're labeling it. All right, are you done? Okay. Did you put Margot for the subject? I hope that you did. Did you put completed for the verb? I hope that you did. What did she complete? Her homework. Is there a who or what that got her homework? No. Now, if it said Margot gave her homework to her teacher, that would be different, but there's no indirect object. And this is an armadillo, by the way. No? Yeah, it's a tree. When I was a kid, I would always draw a tree with a circle here where the owl would live. I don't know why, but I still do as a grown-up. All right, last one. Margot gave Anne a math lesson. Okay, so take some time, write it down, and then label it. And I'm going to add to my picture over here. So make sure you underline the subject. Make sure you underline the action verb. Is there a direct object? Is there an indirect object? All right. So I have my sun and my tree. All right. So Margot, hopefully you guys did as the subject. Gave, kind of overlapped there, is the verb. What did she give? Well, she gave a math lesson. Okay. That's the direct object. who did she give it to? In this case, there is a who. This would be the indirect object. So I'm going to do an arrow because I don't have a whole lot of room. Boom. Let's see. You guys did a great job. Even the sun is happy. All right. So I'm going to roll down or scroll down and just look at the answers real quick. And it looks like we did a good job. All right. Although she did right here, this one looks like a mistake. She did not give a math. She gave a lesson. So I'm glad that we wrote that correctly. She gave the lesson. Okay. All right. So you guys did a great job. I hope this lesson came out okay on YouTube. I'll find out when I upload it. What I need from you guys are kind of three things. One, I need to see the notes that you took. And the notes look like this. So if you want to pause the video and copy that down. I want to see these sentences. There's only 5. You don't have to draw a picture, but you can. And then you need to do BB2. BB2. 20 minutes, right? Or what? If you get it, you don't have to do 20 minutes because if you get 100%, I know you've got it. So maybe you understand it in 15 minutes, okay? So you're going to do BB2 for 20 minutes or 100%, okay? And that is going to be due by Friday. All right, guys, I will see you later. Thank you.